In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings. In my case, they are here. Now find and select apps and notifications and tap on all apps. Then select three dots icon, which is more, and click on Reset App Preferences. And if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions, just mark Reset Apps. And that's it. From now on it is done, so there is no setup connected with your apps. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.